Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to groom your eyebrows. No, sorry. I'm going to show you my eyebrow routine that helps with going out, work, wherever you want to take it. This is just a little upgrade to what you probably are doing right now. Well, stay tuned and let's get into it. I love to start off my brows with obviously them being done. If you want to see a video of how I do my eyebrows, I'll link it below. So let's start. I need my mirror. So I've got my mirror here and then I go in with my brow gel. Here's my brow gel. And I love this brow gel by Rare Beauty. I love it because it stays on really nicely. It doesn't leave a lot of residue and gunk behind. Just make sure it's all stuck down, all the hairs are stuck down. And I'll just zoom in a little closer so you guys can see. After that, I like to take a bit of wipes. So yeah, I love to take wipes because ain't nobody got time for anything else. You make me feel. One thing I love about brows is that I feel like it makes your makeup stand out. So if your brows are bold, I love how it looks on people. I love how it stands out. So your eyebrows can make or break your makeup look, in my opinion. So next going with your loose powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier loose powder in Translucent Honey. I don't know if it's coming up. I'm just going to take a bit with a brush. A brush like this. Literally, I'm just tapping it into it and just dusting the excess off. Then I'm just going to press it into the brow to take off any excess oils. Now just zoom in a little closer so you guys can see. So there's no shine. It's not budging. Perfect base to start. I'm gonna go in with my brow pencil. I'm gonna go a bit close up so you can see on the other brow. The bottom, then I go at the top. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Precise Brow. And I love, love, love this brow pencil. Okay, on this side, I'm going to show you properly. So I literally line the bottom. Make sure that the pencil is sharp at the top. Line the bottom. Line the top. Depending on your eyebrow shape, you want to make sure that if you want to arch, you want to make sure you're going a bit above. Then any area, I'm just literally filling it in with light strokes. So here, okay, this is what they're looking like right now. Just going to go in with the spoolie and just brush them up. If you want them more filled in, you can always go back in. So I've got a little space here, so I'm just going to fill that space in. Okay, now it's time for us to clean up the brows. So I'm going to go in with the concealer. Just pop it a bit at the back of my hand. So it's getting a bit up. Just make sure your concealer is packed in on that brush. Yeah. And you can get it flat as possible. Okay. And I'm going as close as possible to the brow bone. As close as possible. As close as possible beneath the brows. Okay, and I just popped in a little bit of my foundation. This helps to blend everything afterwards. Sometimes I like to go in with the lighter concealer in the middle as well. I use the same brush to pick up the foundation, and it's gonna go at the top very gently, very demurely. I forgot to show you guys this brush. Same brush I used to pick up the translucent powder. I'm just going to use that to blend everything out. So I'm going to start with the middle. I ain't got no unibrow. So I'm going to start with the darker one. Honestly, I should have started with the lighter one, but yeah. So it's not clashing because now it's going to blend everything all out. Love that for me. But yeah, you see how it's coming together. And if you want it brighter on the bottom, like definitely go brighter. And then what I like to do as well, get a spoolie and brush everything out. So that's it, you guys. I hope you learned a thing or two to include in your eyebrow routine. Be sure to comment below and let me know. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.